your little vlogger, DANICA'S 2012. Today we are with my BFF Friday. With Mama.
Hello!
With Tita Rowena. Hello! With Papa. So today, we are gonna buy the supplies for back to school! Ngayon kasama natin yung BFF ko si Sir Jay. Ngayon bibili tayo sa Corte Inglés ng mga supplies kasi ito po yung isang mga mall na maraming supplies po back to school!
Excited?
Let's go!
Kaloka. Kingkay talaga eh. Oh, may footlockers na rin dyan. Ayan ang bus touristic. Pag gusto nyo mamasyal dito sa Barcelona, ayan, sakay kayo dyan at iikot kayo dyan. Ano yan? Bayabas? Granada. Parang bayabas eh. Ang dami. Hindi pa hinog. Malaglag ka.
Ala, hay olivas. ¿Cómo que olivas?
Dito sa puno ng bayabas namimitas si Tita Rowena.
Malambot na.
Malambot na.
Mama,
Pasok na tayo. First floor ay ang mga pabango. Nasa 8, ano yan? Sa 7th floor. School supplies. Here we are in the 7th floor. It's by the Musica and library. Yan mga mobiles. Ang ating target ngayon ay school supplies. Oh, mga bag. Pretty jeans.
hello! Now, nandito na tayo sa mga collection ng mga material. Ito na po yung amin.
Listahan. Napakahaba. Abaw. Pagkano kaya natabutin natin
4
ito?
libretas, Mama. Mira, yo sé.
Ya necesitamos los 3 rotuladores de borrador.
Muy bien. Iyon naman. Ayan. Quiero esto.
¿Este? El del año pasado, ¿no?
Basta na.
¿Quieres el mismo orden?
Oh, son 4. A ver. Next.
Yo no caso por eso. Hi! It's me, your little vlogger, DANICA'S 2012. Today we're with Mama Rosie.
Hello! Welcome to DANICA'S 2012 channel!
Today, we are gonna unbox my school supplies because next week is my school back to school.
Yes! At now, si Danica ay ready na ba para sa kanyang school?
Apo, ang mag-unboxing po tayo.
Haber?
So, first, we have the 30 centimeters ruler and mine is pink and flexible.
Okay, correct. We have one roller.
Next, we have these color pens, erasable in tela.
And
Bigay ni Mayora. Thank you, Mayora.
from Germany, Cynthia Alves of Bavaria. Thank you, Mayora, sa pasalubong kay Danica Rose 2012.
Buksan ko na. We have color light blue or cyan.
Okay, yes.
We have purple, dark blue, dark green, brown or light brown,
Okay.
red, black, pink, orange, at yellow.
Yes, complete colors.
Hindi ko maintindihan dito. Okay, next.
Color pen check.
Color pen check. Now we have erasers and sakapuntas.
Sakapuntas is sharpener in English.
Sharpener and eraser. Check.
Check. What is eraser in Castellano?
Goma de borrar.
Goma de borrar y
And sakapuntas.
sakapuntas is sharpener. Okay?
Correct.
Correct.
Now we have these three glue sticks. So we have two normal and one blue glue stick, and I'm gonna use the blue one, my favorite color,
And that is Bara de Enganchament
in Catalan.
in Catala.
Ay, nakuha ka dalawa. Esto es un kompas po.
Kumpas, correct? Dahil sila ngayon ay magsisimula ng gumamit ng kumpas.
No,
Kaya yung primarya muna ang aming binili, yung starter.
Metal.
Okay?
No tengo idea cómo se usa.
Pues, in school, you will learn it. Danica Rose.
Now we have these crayons.
Plastic decor, crayons. Check.
So we have now we have
Crayon.
these color pencils.
Okay, you need also color pencil. Check. That is colors de Fosta, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Now we have a lot of pencils.
Pencils. Check.
What?
Because they need the on lapis numero 2 o HB. Ayan.
I don't need this, huh? I don't need this.
This is
For
a
mama.
marker.
Marker is for mama. I don't use
Okay.
that.
Thank you, Danica.
Where now we have these 3 pens.
Yes, they need a black,
Black, blue, at light green.
and green because they need a bolígraf ano basahin to in Catalan?
Bolígraf negra, bolígraf verde, bolígraf blau, and erasables.
And that is erasable. Okay, very good.
Oh, next we have these 4 pencil, these 4 notebooks.
Okay, 4 notebooks, 4 libretas, espiral.
So we have the purple one,
Okay,
the light red or light pink,
right.
blue and green mix,
Okay,
and we have the fuchs color, like the dark pink. Yeah. Push. Now we have these carpets. This is for my homework, and these are for my papers of school.
Yes.
And now we have these books because these books are of English.
Okay, this is all about English. She learned to speak English, of course.
Now we have these carpets. Give me my cousin Ate Jade.
Okay, shout out Ate Jade dyan.
So
Next.
So next We have this for
Plastic cover.
for cover my box.
Okay. Okay na. Oh, be careful.
Next, this is back to school clothes.
What is that? Ada, could I see? Socks for the new school. Another one, next.
And my bag.
At yan ay galing kay...
Ninang Ria! Kundi,
Shout out kay Ninang Ria Maliksi.
tingnan niyo po yung video na in-upload namin sa Pabagmamasyal. Kasama siya kasi yan yung video na binili niya ito sa akin.
Yan. Just check it out.
Kita puto!
No ba yan?
Nice, nice
Ayaw
pack.
magpabukas.
Wow! We have a pencil case!
Yan, turno pa yan. Thank you, Ninang Ria Maliksi.
Is it colorful?
Mag-aaral po ng mabuti si Danica.
Tama. Parang nakamouflage siya.
Pero maganda siya dito.
Ayan,
Ayan,
next. we
complete na ba tayo dyan? Tisoras di punta.
Next, we have these scissors.
Okay, correct. We have scissors now. And what else?
Nothing else.
Una funda per guarda de la mascarilita. Facial. That's okay. And gel hydroalcoholic.
Is hiding there.
Okay, we have also that. Then, we magsa-shoutout po kami kay...
Pero mama, teka lang, wag muna. I-open mo pa ito.
I-open. Ito'y bigay po sa akin ni
Tita Beth.
Tita Beth, Lelevet.
Without sprahin.
Oh, wow! Ang ganda naman ito. Thank you, Ate Lilibet, for giving this gift to me. Early gift for my birthday.
Here it is.
Anong pangalan nakalagay?
Tenerife.
Tenerife. Galing sa Tenerife. Ayan.
Gusta?
Yes, thank you very much, Ate Lilibet.
Wow.
Pang display. Thank you very much. And now, magsa-shoutout po kami sa ating mga ma'am. Yes. Bakit hindi?
Napasanala.
Sa ating mga ma'am dyan sa Liluan Elementary School, kung saan si Danica doon siya nag-aral nung nagbakasyon siya sa Pilipinas.
Ma'am
Ma'am Presi Domingo
Ma'am Presi Domingo
Orita.
Urita.
Ma'am Perla Inocencio at ang anak niya ngayon sa principal si Ma'am Melanie Inocencio. And kay Ma'am Delia Ibuna, yun mga retired teacher na po dyan. At yung anak niya dyan si Ma'am Richelle. Ayan. Si Nainina Orita, yan ma'am. At saka sa Ninang Dilay ko, Ninang Delicia Domingo na dati. Shout out po Ninang! At kay Ma'am Mimi Ilito at kay Tay Istong Ilito. At sa lahat po ng mga teacher, thank you very much po sa inyong pagserbisyo sa aming mga anak. Miga loud shout out sa ating mga butihing guro dyan. Ayan. At yes, at sa ating mga BFF members, thank you very much sa walang sawang suporta kay Danica Rose 2012. At sa mga viewers, likers, at sa mga silent viewers na laging sumusuporta kay Danica. Thank you very much sa aming pamilya dyan, sa Insekto Quirino family, sa Dumga Makato Aklan, at sa Liluan Malinaw
Aklan!
And don't forget,
Like, share, subscribe, and click na notification bell para palagi kayo updated sa amin bagong video! Bye!
see you to the
Bye.
next video.
God bless you all! And keep safe. Bye!